DJI Mic 2 review. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing the details of a product that has truly impressed me with its sound quality, the DJI Mic 2. If you're into video production or high quality audio recording is essential for you, this device could be exactly what you need. Before we dive into the review, I want to give a small reminder. First of all, thank you so much for watching this video. My friend, remember, you are my source of motivation. The energy I get from you helps me create these videos. While it takes hours to produce this content, it only takes a few seconds for you to like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, enable notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's get into the product review. Enjoy. High-quality sound is the foundation of impactful video content. The DJI Mic 2 wireless microphone system stands out as a perfect solution for both individual content creators and small video production teams. Coming with a charging case, the system automatically syncs the microphones and receiver, ensuring seamless compatibility with smartphones or cameras. With its lightweight and portable design, 32-bit float audio recording, and AI-powered noise reduction, it promises top-notch sound quality. Moreover, even if you're not a professional audio expert, the user-friendly design allows you to achieve professional-grade recordings. The second-generation model in the DJI Mic series, the DJI Mic 2, comes with significant improvements over its predecessor. Equipped with advanced technologies such as intelligent noise reduction and high-resolution audio recording, this system excels at delivering clear vocals while effectively reducing background noise. The magnetic mounting feature of the microphones enables quick and hassle-free setup, while the auto mode ensures instant recording even in challenging environments. The two microphones with dual-channel support and windshields provide a premium recording experience, whether you're shooting solo or with a partner. All equipment is conveniently housed in a charging case, which adds portability and practicality. Priced at $349 for the complete set, DJI Mic 2 also offers alternatives like single transmitter and receiver sets for those seeking more budget-friendly options. Compared to its competitor, the Rode Wireless Pro, the DJI Mic 2 stands out with its competitive price and advanced features, making it an appealing option for anyone seeking professional audio quality. A quick reminder, your support energizes me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and show your support. Unboxing and first impressions. The unboxing experience was truly delightful. The DJI Mic 2 comes in a carrying case that not only protects the equipment but also charges it effortlessly. The magnetic lid design of the case adds a premium feel. Inside the box, you'll find two wireless microphones, one receiver, spare clips, windshields, and connection cables. DJI has clearly put a lot of thought into the user experience and didn't miss any details. Design and ergonomics. The microphones are compact in size, making them easy to attach to clothing or gear without adding weight. Attaching the windshields is incredibly simple, and they feel securely in place even after removal. The receiver features a touchscreen that allows you to check audio levels, connection status, and battery life at a glance. It's extremely intuitive and user-friendly. Additionally, compatibility with both USB-C and Lightning ports is a huge advantage for using the device with various devices. A quick note, we're growing together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Audio quality. Now, on to the most important part, sound performance. The audio quality of the DJI Mic 2 is genuinely impressive. As I listened to the recordings, I noticed the sound was both clear and well balanced. Thanks to the noise-cancelling feature, you can capture crystal clear audio even in noisy environments. The microphones have a range of up to 250 meters, and during my testing, I didn't experience any connection drops within this range. For instance, even when I was 200 meters away during an outdoor shoot, the sound quality remained consistent. This is a significant advantage, especially for outdoor recordings. Battery life and storage. The DJI Mic 2 boasts an improved battery life compared to the first generation model, offering up to 18 hours of usage. Its 8GB internal storage provides ample capacity for long recordings, while the safety track feature creates a backup recording at -6 decibels. This adds an ideal layer of security for a day of shooting. Furthermore, the charging case doubles as a power bank, adding extra convenience and reliability during shoots. Quick reminder, with your support, I'm stronger. Subscribe now, and let's progress together. Ease of use and other features. The microphones automatically pair as soon as they're attached, saving you time and effort. This convenience is vital for both professionals and beginners. Moreover, the built-in memory of the microphones allows for recording even when the receiver isn't connected, which can be a lifesaver in case of technical issues. Conclusion and evaluation. I've been using the DJI Mic 2 for a few weeks now, and I'm thoroughly impressed with its performance. In terms of portability and sound quality, it's one of the best in its class. If you create YouTube content, conduct interviews, or enjoy vlogging, this microphone set is definitely worth considering. So, what are your thoughts on the DJI Mic 2? Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments below. Dear friends, your support is crucial to ensure the continuity of content like this and to help me create more informative and enjoyable videos. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like it. Additionally, you can stay updated with my latest content by subscribing to my channel and enabling notifications. Your comments are invaluable to me. By sharing your thoughts, you can support me and suggest topics you'd like to see in future videos. Remember, I'm here thanks to your support and constantly striving to improve every day.